So, hey, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Pradeep Suresh. I am Pradeep here. In this video, we're gonna see why communication is very important for each and every individual. In this video, I am gonna share my own two methods. There are two methods which I am following. I have been following this for my entire life, from my school days to college days. Till now, I am following these two methods, which is very helpful to improve my communication as well as my English vocabulary. So, without further delay, let's get into this video. Let's go. So before starting this video, I would like to let you people know that this video is mainly made for those who are in the initial stages of their communication development, and this video is strictly not made for those English professors who can write their own poems in the English language. So I request those English poetries making people to leave the video right here, right now. Why I am telling these people to leave is this is very basic video. On the end of this video, you may feel, what is this? I know this already. You are telling all this now. I know this from a nursery school. People will say. For that reason only, I am asking those English professors to leave this video right that time, and also now please leave this video if you are still watching. So what are the two methods by which you can improve your communication skill as well as your English vocabulary? In my personal life, I have been following these two methods from my school days until now, and I will be following this method for my entire life maybe. So what are those methods? One is reading and another one is listening. You may think that reading and listening is very simple thing, which will that help my communication skill to improve? I will say yes. So basically, reading makes you to understand how to make a sentence out of words. Listening makes you to understand how to pronounce a word in different sound. For example, THE can be pronounced as the and also as the. So you have to listen to as much as possible to make your communication better. And there is another one thing which is very important when you are speaking in English, that is confident. You have to be very confident when you speak in English. Without confidence, you will struggle to speak words out of your mouth. Also, without confidence, you cannot make communications either in English or in your mother tongue. So be confident whenever you are communicating something to others, whether it is in your native language or in a foreign language. So I wish you all good luck to make your communication better and greater. Thanks for watching this video, and first time I'm making a video in English. Hope you all like it. If you do like, don't forget to smack the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to do so. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in another video. Bye.